Hivi leo Mogotia MP Reuben Kiborek alisema kwamba wao kama wabunge hawana biashara yoyote ya kuzungumzia ufunguaji wa seva, na pia Raila Odinga yafaa kuenda ili akazungumze na Rais William Ruto kwa minajili ya nchi yetu na sio mambo mengi. Aidha, alimwambia Raila kwamba kama anataka kurudi maandamano basi wao hawatishwi na mambo hayo, na kwa hiyo hayo maandamano yao yamekuwa kama corona, manake kazi kupeleka walioumia hospitali. Mwishowe alimwambia Raila hata hiyo nusu mkate wala kwota hatapata. UPS Joseph Makilap MP Baringo North pia aliongezea akisema hakuna handshake ya kugawa serikali ya Kenya.
We will be more partisan than the president. The president was lenient on you. The president was rational. The president is accommodative. The president is a statesman. The president means well. But as parliament, we don't have business to discuss servers. You better come prepared to talk on other issues, but not servers, because it is not. If you want to go back to street, CC to teach you in a street, go back, eat your tear gas, go home, go back to street, eat your... When Corona came to this country, Mr. Raila and ODM, everyone among us quarantined himself in his or our own house because we feared Corona. After 2 weeks, we started wearing masks. After 3 weeks, we started removing our masks and engaging and moving with people and dealing with Corona and going to hospital, dealing with symptoms. This demonstration of yours is like Corona. In the first day, we thought it was serious. Pole to meto a mask. Pole in the next 3 weeks, we don't care. We will walk with your demonstration and we move on. The Corona is still there and we are walking without mask. Even your demonstration, we will walk and engage and deal with our issues without blinking or without caring about demonstration, because yours is anarchy. You want to challenge the legitimacy of the current government. When you tell us we want to discuss we want to have a national accord to do what? And you lost election fair and square. 2007 sumkate hii hata kwota hata slice moja aweze pata.
Is only on one item that we shall discuss as members of parliament, on matters of composition of IPC and reconstitution of a new IPC, and members of parliament are enough to do it. But there is no handshake. Handshake ya kukawa serikali hakuna. Hiyo hakuna. Sisi President William Ruto has given us a memorandum to create an office called Leader of Official Opposition. So Raila angoje hiyo sheria tupitishe kwa bunge, aingie kiti yake inaitwa Leader of Official Opposition, so that he will keep government in check.